Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I have got a video on Final Cut Pro 11.0 which has got magnetic masking. This magnetic masking in Final Cut Pro will blow your mind like anything. In this video we will see how you can change the background of your subject like this within seconds. So without any delay, let's go to Final Cut Pro and see how we can do it. So I have come to my Final Cut Pro and I have imported one video of mine over here. So you can see that the background is clearly different. Now I want to remove this background, so what I have to do, I'll simply go over here in my effects and I'll go and I'll type magnetic. Okay, so when I type magnetic, I'll see a magnetic mask over here. So I'll simply drag and drop over here. Okay, so after dropping this, what you have to do, you have to come over here and choose the subject. So let's say I want to choose this. So this particular subject I want to choose myself. So after clicking this, or if you let's say you want to remove some points, then you can click on this minus and then you can remove like this. So that will exclude the part. Okay, so after doing this, you just hit analyze. So it will start analyzing forward and backward. So first it is doing like forward and after that it will do the backward. So I'll just fast forward this process, because it is, you can see over here that it is analyzing the subject at all angles, whichever angles it is analyzing it, and it is doing it very perfectly. There is no issue in this. So Final Cut Pro is using the artificial intelligence technique to analyze the subject. And earlier what used to happen, you used to do the rotoscoping, and that was a very lengthy and difficult task to do. But here, with the help of this artificial intelligence technique, it has done absolutely fabulous job. We can see over here. So it is almost completing it, 82% it has done, and now it will complete the 100%. You can see here. Once it is done, what will happen? You just have to do done, and then your subject is left. Now whatever you want to do with this, let's say you want to keep this as a background, you can keep it. I'll just do it like this. Okay, so you can see, but this doesn't look good. I'm just telling you that you can remove the background. You can put anything in the background. You can, let's say for example, if you want to take some other example, let's say you want to say this one. So this video, I was shooting this video, so let's say put the magnetic mask in this, and I will tell to analyze this subject. Let's say this night ये वाला अच्छा लग रहा है, तो इसको मैं बैकग्राउंड यहाँ पे लेता हूँ, इसको मैं इधर रख दूँगा. Now I think it has done analyzed it. I'll click done. Okay, now you see इसके पीछे आ गया. मैं इसको अगर स्केल अप कर दूँ तो ये ऐसा आ जाएगा. एंड इसको मैं अगर चाहूँ, so if I can do it here also, or I can just zoom it. Zoom करने के बाद now you can see. So that is how you can use the magnetic mask. It's a very excellent tool. It has saved phenomenal amount of time for the editors, and it's a boon for them. So thank you so much for watching me, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.